Hello, my name is Ignacio. I'm the owner here at PromoGator. Today I will be showing you how to add a product if you're a merchant to our platform. So you will first need to log in with your username and password. Merchants, aside from getting their own account, you have a merchant dashboard. So you're going to click on this little store button here and you are going to go to products. Once you are in the products page, it will list all your products down here that you have added. If you have not added a product, you can click Add Product. Currently inside PromoGator, we have 5 different product types. Simple product are for customers or companies who sell items one at a time, as in DTG shirts, towels, laser engraved pens, or just simple one-piece watches. Our promotional items are our most popular items on our platform. They're about 90% of the products on here. They're items with the 4-tier pricing. You can set your minimums, your maximums. You'll be using the majority of this product to load. Custom apparel is pretty much the same thing as promotional items. The only difference is when you add an apparel item, it gives them the options to basically choose the size of the t-shirts they will be ordering. You could also set minimums. Custom sign products are more for sign manufacturers. We have an algorithm that allows you basically to add a product and charge by the square foot. And stationery products are for our print shops who sell business cards, envelopes, flyers. Basically, all these features are geared more towards stationery products. So today I'm going to show you how to load a promotional item. You're going to click on the item here. It's very important that you load the complete product, title, name, and so on. First, you're going to start off with your title. Today I'll be loading a tote bag. You will first start off by typing in the title. So our title is Economy Trade Show Gusset Tote Bag, made in USA. The item number for this is PG3408. And then it's very, I recommend you put the imprint that it includes. You also want to make that your description and your made title description. It helps with your SEO and getting your items to rank better. Once you have your title, move on to your description. It's sometimes better to have these pre-made. It makes it load easier. I'm going to add another sentence here. This bag comes in 8 different colors and price includes 1 color imprint. We screen print this bag. So after you load a description, a made description is more a simplified form. It's more used for SEO. I'm just going to put trade show bag includes 1 color print, great price. In your keywords, you want to describe your bag. So for instance, I will add trade show bag, 1 color printed bag, low cost trade show bag, bag with imprint, affordable trade show bag, affordable tote bag. And let's add one more description. Let's say custom company tote. You do have the option to add video. You will need to upload a MP4 and WebM format. If not, you will just add your images. And if you have templates, you could also add them to the page. What templates will do when you're inside of a product. This is a bag I loaded earlier. Your templates will actually show up here and will allow your customers to download your templates, which is a very cool feature. So at the moment we are loading the title, which would be here. This is your meta description, and your main description for the product goes here. Built into our platform, we have we're up to date with all of Google's SEO features. So what we're actually doing is creating a product to show better on Google and all of the search engines. So all the images you add here will end up here. So the great thing is you don't really know, you don't really need to add any code. Our software will actually do everything for you. So I've pre-made on our desktop all of our items. Let me go into this tote bag. It's very important that the first item you load is the one you're going to choose for your title. So I always load the first item like this, and it's important that the item that you load is under 1,000 pixels by 1,000, or else the system will not let you load it. You can load multiple items at a time. We just wait till they upload. So this will have 4 items for the product. Next, we move down to URL. If you have a YouTube marketing URL, you can actually just add the URL here, and the video will show up in this section under product video. If there is none, there will be this message for the customer. So I've listed all the brands that we carry in here. If you have a brand name, you can email support@promogator.com, and we can add the brand here as a global feature. So at the moment, this bag comes in red. So this is a really cool feature. You are just going to click the color that it comes in. I've selected, I've set multiple colors. Here's for watches, two-tone color bags. Again, if your colors are not here, we could definitely add them for you. You could just email our support team and we'll be happy to help you. But for now, this bag comes in red, it comes in orange. All you're doing is clicking this option. What you're actually doing is you're activating this color wheel here on our platform. So red, orange, it comes in gray, this lime color, purple, and we have 2 blues. It comes in a navy and a royal. And we're missing black. Here we go. Another cool function of our bag, since we are actually the manufacturer of this bag, we always have it in stock because it's made to order. So this cool feature actually keeps track of all your products. So if you end up using this for real time, let's say you're importing an item and you have stock and you're using this system, when someone places an order, it will deduct your inventory here. So here's where you add your material. So this bag is an 80 GSM non-woven bag. The imprint details price includes 1 color screen print. Very important now. We move down to imprint method. We've listed all the imprint methods here, pretty much in the industry. If you have a special imprint method, again, you can call us or email support and we will definitely add this as a global change. For the most part, if you were to do embroidery, you would just select custom embroidery. If the item is laser engravable, you put laser engraving, and so on and so forth. But for the most part, this bag we offer screen print. If you have multiple colors available, certain items you're allowed to print. You know, if your printer could print 3, 4, 5 colors, you would set this here. You actually set your additional imprint color and it does all the math for you. Unfortunately for this bag here, we're only allowed to print 1 color, being that this bag is priced so low for us. We only allow you to do 1 color. So here's where you set your product days. I recommend you give yourself an extra day. So the way this part of the website works is when you're actually in the bag section, it will tell the user when the order will ship from the time they place an order. So depending on the date you set allows them to see this option. Also, when they're at checkout, they will see the same function. And the next thing is, you know, getting the right sizes. So the more accurate you have a listing here on PromoGator, the more the customer will actually uh, be more apt to buy the product. They have more details. The more details you have, the less questions and the more sales. So I will put all the details of the bag. If you have a setup fee, you will list it here. If not, you can simply click this button and that activates this no setup icon to your products. Icons are a very big part of PromoGator. What ends up happening is, depending on the product that you list, these smart icon triggers trigger to your product and actually um, engage the user to purchase a product or find out more about this product just by looking at the icon filters. So for the most part, if it's eco-friendly, there's an option for the bag being eco-friendly. If you want to provide no setup fee, this will not charge the user the setup fee. The great thing is if you have 3, 4, 5 colors, the system automatically calculates the setup. I'm actually going to add the setup here, $45. And the most important part, I think, of adding a product is actually the logistics of the product. So what you're going to do here is select pounds and inches if you're in the US. What you want to do is select the package weight. So our package weighs 15 pounds for every 200 pieces. Our shipping algorithm actually will calculate where it's shipping from. So inside of your address book, inside of your store settings page, if you were to add it, let's say you have a warehouse in Chicago and one in California. If this product is shipping from California, what you're actually doing is when you have your UPS, FedEx, or DHL linked into your platform, it's giving real-time estimates to the customer. Let's say this customer is in New York, and you're basically telling them that this product is in your, here I have my California warehouse. It will create the label once the order is made, but more importantly, when they're using the real-time shipping option, you're getting this shipping setting, you're getting it from your California to them. So here on your package length, it's very important that you have all of your carton dimensions. Here I have our box for this item is 201919. So we're going to go down to this next step, which is the quantity value. So what's the really neat thing about our platform is it allows you to set your minimums and your maximum quantity. So I'm going to set my minimum at 100 bags. I'm going to have my next increment at 500, another price break at 1,000, and the last price break at 2,500. So if they order 100 pieces, I'm going to set the price for 199, and I will keep going down on this up until I get with my lowest tier price, which will be this 99 cents. This add product title is basically a drop down option. When you add the product title, you could add the second imprint side. Basically, people use this for packaging options or shipping. I'm going to use it for additional imprint side, so I will put additional imprint side. This is not a one-time fee, but I'm going to put no thank you, and then also yes, please print one color on the back. What I will do is if they select this, I'm going to add 59 cents to the back. And if you have your FedEx connected or UPS, you will see the option for real-time shipment. I currently have FedEx activated, so just click on this button here. And where the item is produced, ours is United States, and you're pretty much done. All you will need to do now is categorize your unit. So we have standard categories. I have bags here, and I'm gonna go to Toten Shoppers. I simply just double check I have everything. I'm gonna add this to product, and if everything's good, you will come back to the home page. Well, what will need to happen is, let's go to the home page. Let's see if we did this correctly. Here's our admin panel. Our admin will actually just approve this product. Once we refresh the home page, if your product is approved, you will see your product live on PromoGator. And here it is. Here's our product. Let's have a look at it. And it's all ready. Here's your description. Here's our turnaround time. As you can see, our minimum was set to 100 with the 199, and the maximum 2500 was at 99. This cool slider will show the price break start appearing. If they select the second imprint, this will actually update the price here, as you can see. And customers can split an order, which is a great feature. So they can put 100 of each. The slider automatically activates, and here's the inventory. It's very important that you have the dimensions correct on your box. I will actually have the quantity here to get a shipping estimate. So if I was buying this, let's say I'm in New York and I want to buy 500 of these. Here's the Manhattan zip code. This will ship from California. This is actually taking real-time pricing from your FedEx account. So here's the $143.22. If they were to pay for this order, this will be added on to their shipping. So there you have it, folks. This is a custom bag we just added onto the marketplace. Thank you for taking the time to have a look at this product, and we look forward to having you on board and loading all your products up here. Thanks again. You have a wonderful day.